Alright, so let's talk about Android. So a few days back, Google finally pushed out the Android 14 developer preview, which gives Android users an idea of what to expect once the final market-ready version of Android 14 is out and ready for action on their Android devices. With that said, this build is primarily meant for developers so they can update their apps to be more compatible with Android 14 as it goes through its development phases, and allows them to continue working on their apps until Android 14 is finally ready to hit the shelves. But if you are a regular end user and are just curious as to what the dev preview has to offer, then we're going to help you guys install the developer preview with this video. Now, as for hardware, the developer preview is available for phones including the Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 6, Pixel 6a, Pixel 5, 5a, and the Pixel 4a 5G. Unfortunately, it's not available for the regular Pixel 4a, as well as older Pixel devices like the Pixel 3 series and such. Now, it should also be said that since this is a developer preview, there might be some issues with stability and day-to-day usage, so we wouldn't recommend you guys using this on your primary Pixel phone, but instead with a spare or maybe a secondary Pixel phone if you have one lying around that you are willing to use and tinker with when it comes to this software. This method will also erase your user data, so be sure to back up your software on your Pixel phone before proceeding with the installation. Now, in addition to a Google Pixel phone, you'll also need to have a PC running Windows, as well as an internet connection and a USB cable for your phone. So for this one, we're going to use the Android Flash tool, which is a lot more convenient and easier to follow. With that said, let's get started. So first off, you're going to want to install Google USB driver on your PC if you don't have it already. And once that is done, go to your Pixel phone, open your settings app, navigate to About Phone, and tap on the build number 7 times. This will then enable developer options on your smartphone. Once that's done, visit developer options on your phone and be sure to enable OEM locking and USB debugging options. Next, you're going to want to connect your Pixel to your computer using the USB cable that you have and visit the Android Flash Tool website on your web browser. Now, we do recommend using Google Chrome for this and click the Get Started button. After that, you're going to want to click Allow ADB access to proceed and then choose the device that you have from the list of options. Up next, you'll get a set of on-screen instructions, which you'll have to follow, and after that, you'll finally have Android 14 running on your Pixel device, more specifically, the developer preview. Now, once you have the Android 14 developer preview on your phone, you'll be able to receive subsequent updates via on-the-air downloads, so you won't need additional hardware aside from your smartphone for this. Of course, this will also be followed by additional developer preview versions and then the beta versions until we get to the final Android 14 version, which is the one that Google will launch for devices on the market. Alright, so let us know what you guys think about the Android 14 developer preview. Are you going to install it on your phone, or do you have it already? Or maybe you're curious about what it does for your smartphone. Let us know in the comments below. We also have a written version of this tutorial which you can check out in the description, and be sure to visit our channel and website over at Phandroid.com for more content. Thanks all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.